intermediary in the exporter's country performs certain marketing functions relating to the export of the product. Indirect way of exporting is equal to domestic sales. It is the process of selling products to an intermediary who will then sell your products directly to customers or importing wholesalers. When looking for an intermediary to help you with indirect exporting, the easiest way is to find one in your own country. There are lots of reasons why our imports is such a big business around the world. Here's the three main ones. Availability. Not every country has the resources they can trade to another country. There are some things you just can't grow or make in your own country. Cachet. A lot of things like caviar and champagne pack more cachet, more of an image, if they are imported rather than homegrown. Price. Some products are cheaper when bought it from another country. Korean toys, Taiwanese electronics, and Mexican clothing, to rattle of a few, can often be manufactured or assembled in foreign factories for far less money than if they were made on the domestic front. Types of import or export businesses. Export Management Company or EMC. An EMC handles export operations for a domestic company that wants to sell its product overseas but doesn't know how. The EMC does it all, hiring dealers, invoicing customers, distributors, and representatives, handling advertising, marketing, and promotions, overseeing marking and packaging. Export Trading